Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Nicole Patrick. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I install and style this hair on my head right now. So if you want to know how I did all that, please keep on watching this video. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button below this video and also share and like this video. Thank you so much, and let's get started. So guys, this is the wig right here. If you don't know how to make a wig, you can check my channel. I have a lot of video on my channel on how to make a wig. You can go there and check it out. So I'm going to be using my Got2b glue to hold the wig. I'm just going to apply a little bit in front of my hair around this area just to hold down the wig. This is not a lace frontal, this is just a lace closure wig, so that is why I'm going to apply a little bit of glue around this area of my head. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my Silhouette Invisible Hold Spray to hold it down properly. I'm going to go ahead and use this concealer to define the part a little bit. Then lastly, I'm going to go ahead and use my Eco Styler gel and my water to define the coils on this hair. So guys, this is the final look and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, like, share and comment. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.